Hi, today I want to go over an example on solving derivatives using limits. The formula states the inverse of x equals the limit of h approaching 0, the function of x plus h, take away f of x over h, and the example is f of x equals 1 over 5x. So how we approach this is we write the limit of h approaching 0. Wherever there's an x, we're going to substitute it with the 5x. So I'll read 1 over 5x plus h minus, wherever there's an x, we'll substitute it with a 1 over 5x. That'll be 1 over 5x all over h. Then we'll approach by looking for the common denominator. The common denominators is 5x plus h and 5x. So I like to work on the side so I don't get mixed up here, and put 1 over 5x plus h, and then I put 1 over 5x. Then I write common denominator 5x, x plus h, 5x, x plus h. Here we're multiplying by x plus h over x plus h, and here we're multiplying by x. So x times 5 is 5x. Then you have x plus h. 1 times x is x. Here you have 5x, x plus h, and 1 times x plus h. We bring this over here, the limit of h approaching 0. X plus h, take away x plus h over 5x, x plus h, common denominator, and this is all over h. Don't forget the all over h. Once again, the limit of h approaching 0. Here we're trying to solve, we're going to change the sign. So it'll be x, and we're going to put all together with one denominator at the bottom. It'll be x minus negative times x is negative x. Negative times positive h is negative h. And our common denominator, 5x times x plus h, all over h. Okay, so now we look for the like terms and we cross them out. X minus negative x, it cancels out. Now you also have negative h divided by h. This also cancels out, and it's negative 1 all over 5x x plus h. You write the limit of h approaching 0 minus 1 all over 5x x plus h. Here we can substitute the 0 from the h. That will be, you no longer write the limit here, right? Negative 1 over 5x x plus 0. You got the 0 from here. H approaching 0. And that will give you negative 1 over 5x times x. That'll be negative 1 over 5x times x is 5x squared. Your answer is negative 1 over 5x squared. Thank you for watching.